My dear friends, today is all about crafting your stash. I have this snowflake that, as you can tell, I used it in a different project, and I'm going to be repurposing. This wood round piece, I purchased it at, I think it was Dollar Tree. So all I'm doing is using some hot glue and placing it right on top. I didn't use any type of acrylic paint or any stain because I think that these natural colors make it look absolutely gorgeous. And this is a beautiful ornament. Let me know in the comment section your thoughts. For our second project, let's go ahead and use another wood round slice. I'm going to begin by adding 4 of these wood beads, and I'm going to be using them as legs. And as you see, I'm gluing them with hot glue. And now we have created a mini riser. And also from my stash and repurposing, I have these little bitty trees. And of course, you know, they're all from the Dollar Tree. I'm gonna go ahead with some more hot glue. I'm gonna be placing 3 of them on top of this riser. And my dear friends, thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you have enjoyed this little project. This is nice and simple, and I didn't spend absolutely nothing. So do it on a budget. Let me know in the comment section your thoughts. This wreath is from Dollar Tree, but I decided that I was going to open the ends and I'm going to go ahead and start separating them. I'm going to be using 11 wood beads, and then with this baker's twine, I'm going to go ahead and thread it, and I'm going to be using 11 wood beads, creating a little bitty garland for my tree. And my dear crafty friends, I just want to remind you that this is another open collaboration called Wood Round or Wreath Wednesday, WWW. This takes place every 4th Wednesday of each month at 6 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. I'm going to be leaving the link directly to my dear friend Loli, down in my description box, along with the playlist. Make sure to visit the playlist and give them a lot of love by subscribing, sharing, and liking. And stay tuned for next month because we will have a special guest host. As you can tell, everything is put together. I also added a little bit of greenery on either side of those 2 beads. And I also added some more baker's twine right here with some more hot glue. And this is the way it's going to go hanging on the tree. This little bitty garland is so absolutely gorgeous. Let me know in the comment section your thoughts. And for this project, I am going to be finishing it. This is something that I started and never finished. I taking some of these bamboo sticks, I painted them with white chalk paint. The board, I painted it with that khaki color. And now what I did is just that I measured it to size. Once cut, then I'm going to come in with some hot glue and I'm going to be gluing it to all 4 corners. This is going to be nice and simple. And this merry word, I'm going to be giving it one coat with white acrylic paint. And I also added some heat so like that it could dry quick. And then once that was done, I came back with some hot glue and I'm going to be placing it right in the middle. And of course, a nice simple bowl from Dollar Tree. I'm gonna go ahead and glue it right here and tuck in those little tails with some more hot glue. And then I also have a little pine cone and I'm gonna be placing it right in the middle of the bowl. And my dear friends, this will be it. Let me know in the comment section your thoughts. I hope you enjoy it. This jumbo ornament I purchased at Dollar Tree. I purchased this, I think it was last year. I'm gonna go ahead and put plenty of white acrylic paint in the inside. I'm gonna go ahead and start shaking it until the entire piece is completely covered with that acrylic white paint. Once it's completed, then I have these little gemstones. They are self-adhesive, so I'm just gonna go ahead and start placing them around this ornament wherever I think it looks cute. So I have this greenery and I'm gonna go ahead and flock it, heavily flock it. I'm gonna be doing that to both of these pieces. I'm gonna start assembling the ornament, and the first thing that I'm doing, of course, is I'm making these two pieces stick together with some hot glue, and I also have some beautiful ribbon. I'm gonna be also making a bow. And then once everything is done, I'm just gonna go ahead and start gluing everything together. And thank you so much for sticking around until the end of this video. I hope you have enjoyed all of these Christmas decoration as much as I enjoy creating them. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. And if you haven't already, I would love for you to consider subscribing and joining our growing community. And be sure to check out the playlist for more holiday inspiration. And don't forget to support the other creators by liking, sharing, and subscribing to their channels as well. Your support means the world to us. And this turned out so pretty. Look at how beautiful. And then adding more hot glue. There it is. I already added the ribbon. I'm just gonna go ahead and tuck those tails out, and this will be it. It's ready for the holidays, and this will be going on my flocked Christmas tree.